The very essence of leadership is that you have to have a vision. You can't just blow an uncertain trumpet. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Namaste to our Reverend Director Sir Shri A.K. Sharma, Honorable Vice President of School Trust Srimati Radha Sharma, esteemed Principal Ma'am, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, respected Gargi Ma'am, devoted teachers, the most supportive parents, and above all, my beloved students. We heartily welcome you all to the virtual investiture ceremony of our school for the academic year 2021-22. Investiture ceremony is a dawning or swearing in of a person for a position of authority or power, keeping in mind to abide by the norms and regulations set up by the institution. It is a ceremony at which honors or ranks are formally conferred. Due to the second wave of this pandemic situation, India International School has decided to conduct this propitious event virtually, delegating the responsibility and the power of authority to our beloved selected prefects, only with the goal of molding them into a responsible citizen in future. So without any further delay, let's begin this auspicious event with Om chanting and Gayatri Mantra, followed by a prayer song.
ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। वो बुराई करे हम भलाई भरे, नहीं बदलेगी वो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मिटे बैर का ये भरम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर कुछ ना आता नजर, सुखा सूरज छिपा जा रहा है। तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, जो अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
Thank you, children, for your soothing prayer. Now I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am to share a few valuable words with us.
It's a very solemn occasion where all the students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the duties and responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. My dear students, today you all will be given all those duties and responsibilities which you all need to shoulder throughout the entire academic session 2021-22. Now you all might be thinking that since the classes are being held online, how we are going to discharge the duties and responsibilities. That your respective teachers will be informing you all in due course of time that what will be the duties and responsibilities of each one of you in this scenario when the classes are being held online. It's very rightly said that leaders are not born but are made by their experiences in life. My dear students, whatever experience you all gather in the school life while discharging the duties and responsibilities of the prefects will surely help you in the long run in future. I congratulate all the students, those who have been selected as prefects. Discharge your duties and responsibilities with full dedication, integrity, and above all, impartiality. And see to it that the banner of your school is flying high always. It's the responsibility of each one of you. I pray to the Almighty to grace each one of you with wisdom, guidance, and blessing. Congratulations once again, and all my best wishes and blessings to all my dear students. May you all discharge your duties properly, and may you all outshine to be the best of leaders. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and all the best to all our peerless leaders for performing your duties with honesty and sincerity. Now I shall request our esteemed Venerable Director Sir, Shri A.K. Sharma, to kindly address the forthcoming jubilant juvenile leaders, boosting up their morals through his experienced and precious words.
Say to all of you, we all know that we are passing through a very critical stage of corona virus, phase 2. And during this phase 2, we have not been able to come to the school in physical mode. And whereas every year we give responsibility to the students in various capacities, we designate them as school captain, school vice captain, class prefects, discipline captain, like this. This year it was not possible to have this investiture ceremony, that when we appoint these students into various posts, we give them badges, and this ceremony, while giving the badges, is called investiture ceremony. This year, since we all are attending our online classes, we are not able to come to the school. So, we will be celebrating this investiture ceremony online. And the basic purpose of investiture ceremony is to give responsibility to the students and to train them in leadership qualities. You all must be in the classes representing your class in the form of a prefect, house prefects, discipline captain. All these will be carrying out. These responsibility will be given to you, but you will all carry this responsibility online till the school comes into the physical world. Once you start coming to the school, then we will brief you about these responsibilities. But basic idea behind all this, holding these posts and the ceremonies, that our students should also learn the leadership qualities. By leadership qualities, that they should also participate in various activities. They should come, learn how to organize these activities and help the teachers and help your friends in organizing all these school activities, functions, so that you can also learn how to plan the things in life. And when you move out of the school, these things which you will learn during the school, you can implement in your daily life. Because you may be heading some of the organizations, some of the institutions, some colleges. Likewise, so whatever you will learn and how you are planning these activities in the school, you can implement them in your real professional life also. This is the basic idea. And that's why the whole school has been divided into 4 houses, namely Indra, Surya, Soma and Varna. And each house is represented by the housemaster or the housemistress, and these houses are headed by the school captain. That is called the house captains of each house. Likewise, all classes will be represented by the class prefects. And in the games, in the discipline, while the students are coming to the school, you will help your teachers in checking their uniform, checking their haircuts, checking their proper bags, and the proper discipline whether they are maintaining in the school or not. This is all. Through these activities, these leadership qualities are inculcated among the students. Because the purpose of the school is not only to impart the bookish knowledge, but your overall personality has to be shined during the school time. And that is what an effort is made by the school, that the students should be given the role of the leaders and they should perform it by themselves with the help of their teachers, with the help of their friends, with the help of their parents. Everything, whatever you can learn from these people and whatever you can learn from your friends, you will implement all these things and you will find that you have changed a little bit. Some confidence will also be built up in you. So with these words, I wish all the school prefects, school captains, house captains, my best wishes on this investiture ceremony. Take up this challenge, take up the responsibility sincerely and dedicatedly. Then only you can learn. If you take the things very casually, as most of you are thinking that online classes are not as good as physical classes, this is a misconception, let me tell you. If you are also not serious in the regular classes, then the regular classes also can be not very useful. So everything is useful, whether you are conducting the online classes, you are submitting the assignments on the online classes. If you are serious and sincere, everything will be beneficial for you and in your interest. That is why this activities of investiture ceremony has been organized by the school principal madam and all our teachers. They have already selected the prefects for various classes and they will be holding the responsibility. I wish all of you very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your precious words. Now the most awaited moment to announce the names of our promising prefects. The first name in the list is
The girl prefect of 1A, Anshika Vaishnavi. The boy prefect of 1A, Animesh Jha. The girl prefect of 1B, Adrija Basu. The boy prefect of 1B, Apratim Sinha. The girl prefect of 1C, Titash Niyogi. The boy prefect of 1C, Anshu Kumar Patel. The girl prefect of 1D, Akshara. The boy prefect of 1D, Yash Punia. The girl prefect of 1E, Sonam Badbetya. The boy prefect of 1E, Anurag Mukherjee. The girl prefect of 2A, Pragya Bharti. The boy prefect of 2A, Rishan De. The girl prefect of 2B, Anushka De. The boy prefect of 2B, Soham Mukherjee. The girl prefect of 2C, Aradhya Mukherjee. The boy prefect of 2C, Rupam Gatayat. The girl prefect of 2D, Dishita Chaudhary. The boy prefect of 2D, Nishant Chaurasia. The girl prefect of 2E, Kavya Arya. The boy prefect of 2E, Aditya Narayan Sahu. The girl prefect of 3A, Jia Sharma. The boy prefect of 3A, MD Izan Nadimi. The girl prefect of 3B, Moitrisha Malakar. The boy prefect of 3B, Quasi Jayesh Naid. The girl prefect of 3C, Parinita Maji. The boy prefect of 3C, Dipangshu Vardhan. The girl prefect of 3D, Antara Kamath. The boy prefect of 3D, Moez Ali Chaudhary. The girl prefect of 3E, Shreya Rajak. The boy prefect of 3E, Samar Aryan. The girl prefect of 4A, Soumya Suman. The boy prefect of 4A, Riddhi Ranjan. The girl prefect of 4B, Rajoshri Banerjee. The boy prefect of 4B, Aryan Banerjee. The girl prefect of 4C, Aparajita Banerjee. The boy prefect of 4C, Arav De. The girl prefect of 4D, Bhumi Kedia. The boy prefect of 4D, MD Zayed Ashraf. The girl prefect of 5A, Raj Nandini Sharma. The boy prefect of 5A, Arpit Kumar. The girl prefect of 5B, Preyoshi Bez. The boy prefect of 5B, MD Ahekam Beg. The girl prefect of 5C, Suhana Maiti. The boy prefect of 5C, Shaunak Banerjee. The girl prefect of 5D, Aisha Kalam. The boy prefect of 5D, Priyojit Gorai. The girl prefect of 6A, Kasturi Malik. The boy prefect of 6A, Shayan Mandal. The girl prefect of 6B, Rishita Sinha. The boy prefect of 6B, Ayush Chakraborty. The girl prefect of 6C, Ishika Prasad. The boy prefect of 6C, MD Arham Haider Ansari. The girl prefect of 6D, Shama Pushpa Mishra. The boy prefect of 6D, Al Ryan. The girl prefect of 7A, Anshika Agarwal. The boy prefect of 7A, Devjit Kumar Prasad. The girl prefect of 7B, Krishna Priya Sarkar. The boy prefect of 7B, Shubhadeep Giri. The girl prefect of 7C, Tejashwani Jha. The boy prefect of 7C, Shayad Al Faiz. The girl prefect of 7D, Kalsa Singhal. The boy prefect of 7D, Ariz Aftab. The girl prefect of 8A, Umang Upadhyay. The boy prefect of 8A, Kumar Snehil Thakur. The girl prefect of 8B, Mohana Majumdar. The boy prefect of 8B, Shimon Roy. The girl prefect of 8C, Ishani Tapadar. The boy prefect of 8C, Debargo Chakraborty. The girl prefect of 8D, Archita Kumar Sinha. The boy prefect of 8D, Rohit Kumar Chaudhary. The girl prefect of 9A, Saloni Singh. The boy prefect of The girl prefect of 12A, Swati Raj. The boy prefect of 12A, Amish Kumar Singh. The girl prefect of 12B, Mohana Mishra. The boy prefect of 12B, Tushar Sharma. The girl prefect of 12C, Astha Chaudhary. The boy prefect of 12C, Mahesh Patel. The girl prefect of 12D, Astha Priya. The boy prefect of 12D, Apratim Bose.
Now, I would like to invite our Vice Principal Ma'am to give the vote of thanks, followed by National Anthem.
Namaste all of you. Respected Director Sir Shri A.K. Sharma, Vice President School Trust Srimati Radha Sharma, Principal Mrs. Sarmishta Chandapal, parents, Investiture Ceremony Committee, all the staff members and all my dear students. Once again, Namaste to all of you. On behalf of the IIS fraternity, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Director Sir Shri A.K. Sharma and Vice President School Trust Srimati Radha Sharma for giving us this occasion and continue to inspire us to come with zeal and dedication. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for valuing the efforts taken in charge by the school in providing opportunities to all. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Mrs. Sarmishta Chandapal, the principal of this institution, who has been a constant support and have given us a lot of encouragement. We are fortunate to be assisted by you, ma'am. Behind every successful program lies the manifold efforts of our committed faculty, especially the coordinators of this program, Mrs. Arpita Chatterjee, Mr. Rajoshri Goswami, Mr. Shubhankar Roy, and all other staff members for their timely support. I would also like to take a moment to thank the other staff members of the school for their immense contribution in the development of this institution. It is important that I should acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents. Where we stand today is the combination of hard work and efforts, and we know that we can go further with renewed confidence that you all will be there to celebrate our victories. The investiture ceremony signifies the belief and poise that the school consigns in the newly invested office bearers. Despite the widespread of the pandemic, the indomitable spirit of the young talented leaders of IIS is now formally bestowed with the responsibility of leading their school from the front with their commitment, confidence and competence. Last but not the least, I really owe to Almighty, and I continuously pray to Almighty to provide us the strength and courage so that we can succeed in our mission. Thanks a lot to one and all, directly or indirectly involved in the program. Thank you, all of you, once again.
जय जय